Did you know that in the first race of the 1983 season, there was no second place? Qualifying for the Brazilian GP went from first Keke Rosberg, second Alain Prost, and third Patrick Tambay. The race was an interesting one, with Rosberg and Nelson Piquet fighting for a win. Rosberg just coming back from his championship win with Williams. But he went into the pits, and during refueling, his car caught fire, and afterwards he got back in the car and he got a push start. He finished second off Lauda behind him, and Piquet winning his home race. Afterwards, the FISA, the FIA as we know it by now, disqualified Rosberg for a push start in the pits, and for reasons unknown, they didn't promote the drivers behind him into P2, which means Nelson Piquet finished first and Lauda finished third, and this is the only time in Formula 1 history that this has happened. Do you think this will ever happen again? I don't think so. This was a very interesting race. I watched it by my own, and I wanted to share with you guys. Please like and subscribe for more of these types of things. Thank you for watching.